Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray so nothing powers the board while you work. Once done, remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom, then use a suction cup and a plastic pick to gently lift the display. Slow and even pressure prevents flex damage. Make sure to ground yourself on an ESD mat and keep a magnetic parts tray handy. You're now at the point where the screen is slightly open and ready for bracket removal. With the display supported at about 90 degrees, first remove the battery bracket screws and lift the bracket so you can disconnect the battery. This prevents short circuits while you work on the board. After disconnecting, gently pry the battery connector with a plastic tool. Avoid metal near contacts. Next, loosen the adhesive strips under the battery by pulling slowly and steadily. If they snap, apply low heat to the back to soften adhesive, then use a thin card to lift the battery without bending it. Install the new battery by aligning it in the tray and pressing its adhesive strips into place so it sits flat. Once seated, reconnect the battery connector and reinstall the metal bracket in the original screw order to ensure even pressure. Before fully seating the display, power on the phone to confirm life and charging behavior. If it won't power on, power off and recheck the connector and bracket screws. Once confirmed, carefully press the display edges down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.